A very British gamer has joined.
Very British gameroo.
So yeah, we're recording now. So let's do the viewers a favour and let's start playing, shall we? I'm a very British gamer, so I talk like this.
Yeah, we continuously must talk in a very British accent.
At one point I am a very British gamer. At the next point, I talk like Bane. I like talking like Bane.
It finishes loading. Oh my god, the frames are real. Oh my god, I got a kill. I'm so fancy.
What the hell? I can't move.
Let me nudge you. Did it work?
yeah. Nudging me is actually getting me a lot farther. What the hell?
Ryan?
What the bloody hell is this?
I hope you realise I do this out of love. Oh wait. I miss you.
Why can't I move?
A very British gameroo.
I can't. Oh, okay. This is Oh, I can sort of. Yeah, I'm sort of moving.
I got killed right in the face.
Okay, so having fraps off doesn't help either.
I'm so awful. I remember now. At least I'm not Ryan.
How dare you?
You dead as hell, boy. I've just thought of a new game mode called Protect the Ryan.
That is genius. That is like
I think I'm gonna call it Saving Private Ryan because that hasn't been done before.
Yeah, and for some reason my scar is like single shot. What the hell?
Oh no, no! Don't kill me! Damn it! I was on a 2-kill streak, that's the most I've ever had. I'm so fancy. A death at a match!
Nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Estate. The most one-sided map on the game. If you hold the house, you win.
Pretty much, yes.
Call of Duty balances our main. No, it's not.
Online gaming. Anything can happen.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. God, that song is so addictive.
Everything is awesome. Choose class. Let me pick up the mini Uzi. No, I'll pick up the foul.
Yeah, pick up the foul.
I've been failing you since I was a baby.
I'm gonna be fouling so hard.
You can just you can hear people above you on this map.
Yeah.
Right, look out, there's guys coming through the greenhouse.
Oh, it still lags like crazy.
Oh, okay.
What?
Oh, migration. In Modern Warfare 2, that means that the game's over. Oh, it's back.
Oh my god.
It doesn't stop the kill streak. You get automatically killed by a Harrier. Enemy UAV. 2,800. Yes.
Yeah, we sucked pretty bad. Oh, that was a cheeky weapon switch.
You know you're cool when you go 5 and 15 and you're third in the leaderboard.
Oh my god, I was actually the top.
Comebacks. Shut up. Don't patronise me, game. Should I put extended mugs or thermal on my?
On your what?
On my snipper. I'll make it for some blue tigger as well.
Okay then.
Hashtag blue tigger.
No.
We're about to run you down, boy. Oh. What a dick. Yeah, he stood there with a shotgun. I don't think I've got a kill yet. Dun 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 dun. Oh.